Alright guys, me there with the famous. Me always say upon the highway. What your name? Tell them what your name. Give man.
TikTok boss. TikTok boss. Anyway,
so you say you stop me
I'm
because
just joking about the TikTok boss.
Yeah.
I'm TikTok boss man, but my name is Brown.
Yeah. So you say you stop the car because you like the back.
Yes, I like the car. I like the sound that the car make. The bimbo. Let go two upon him now. You're not hearing come up.
Yeah, man, in good man.
Let go come upon him now because he can't pass.
He can't pass.
He's jealous because look, the other truck bigger than him.
Yeah.
And the other truck pass. So me don't know when he come and make hand, but let go two penny ras.
Alright, let me reach out this one.
Make sure you know because you want to hear it.
Alright, cool. Yeah, man, cool. Alright. Alright. A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please put a like, leave a comment, and we can get straight into this. Alright, guys, so here I go now. Let me tell you another story before. It's about to get eaten in the box. The lady, meet one lady, give her work. Her best friend says she don't love how she move. So them I put her up on a test. The lady go make the mistake, guys. And go tell a lie, according to she, tell the girl one lie, say, oh, she bring man in the house when the man not there. Remember now is a test and follow me. Then she now, the other friend, record her and go tell about the husband. When she tell about the husband now, it cause one big mishap till she end up, she and her husband separate and all sort. The panel never tell her say she cause it. Play stupid game, you win stupid prize. But here what I go do? I go play one of the audio where she talk, and then now I go open up the box and make it hear what the panel say. Okay? I go listen. Stay tuned, guys. The video go long. And tell me if you don't agree. Listen. Alright. What kind of story you have for me now? I'm ready now.
Okay, so I'm with my husband for 9 years. Married for almost 2. Meet this girl in July. Well, June. To a taxi driver. Sorry, to a taxi driver when we use. It happened that they need somebody at my workplace because it's a private case with the pan. It happened that they need somebody at my workplace. And before that, he did call me and said to me, say, when you don't need anybody at your workplace, I know are you responsible for that? You can bust my girlfriend. I said to him, I don't like help Jamaicans because every time I help them, them fuck me up. Every time. So I did make her swear to God. I said, no more Jamaican. He said, no, man. She a good girl, man. You're a boss, man, because, you know, it's rough. I said, all right. About a week after that, a space come up on my job. I call him and I said to him, say, your girlfriend will not tell me about. She still looks something. He say, yeah, man, I will ask the man. So I give me her number. He gave me her number. I call her. You know, tell her what the job is about. Ask her if she can come in and do a shadow. We call it shadow. She said, yeah. I said, okay, can you come in this afternoon? She said, the little work she have, she'll come off 2 o'clock, but she can reach me by 4. I said, yeah, that's fine. She come, she shadow, she show me what she can do with the patient and everything. She was hired on the spot. But the shift that was available was night shift. And she wouldn't work every week, she would work every other week. She said, fine. All right, she started work everything. First, when she just started, she weren't doing it good. Because every morning, me that come and work when she work and relieve her, me that get a complaint. And me I say, you know, just give her some time. Because every patient is not the same. Every patient is different. So we got to give her time to adjust. And listen to me. And, you know, she get in. She adjusts. Me and her get not tight, but close. We get very close. Not very, very close, but we get close. She started having problems with her husband. So she had to end up calling me, ask me to call him, and tell him, say, me her auntie. It's all right. We do that. I call him and I talk to him and I vent and I tell me where she want, what she do. And she this and she that. And when he pass up, she a whore, she a vagabond, she a slut. If you don't see how she bore up her tongue on her nose and appear naked clothes she a wear. And she go catch STD and then see the message in her phone. And she has send naked picture to next man. One he pass up. Remember in this country, you know, when you're on the papers and married, you know, you have to tread light. Even if you don't want the man, you have to tread light. So talk to him, and I hang up from him, and talk back to him and say, listen to me now. I call her K, and I say, listen to me, K. You see, all of them things that the man tell me, you see, if you do them, you need to stop. Me I talk about this happened 2 weeks after she get her 2-year green card, you know. That the man decides that he's going to divorce and he's going to report her to ICE. So I talk to him and I beg him. I say, see, all of them something what the man say I do, and he, you want to check if you do? Stop. Anyway, I don't know if she stop. Argument, it done, and I hear nothing more about it. Going down now, in October, I introduce her to me best. In September, I introduce her to my best friend. My best friend here, my best friend said to me, say, listen to me now. Something about again, women I like, you know. Be careful. My spirit and fear will not mesh. Be careful. I said, no, so leave the girl alone. Give her a chance, man. Because my best friend is like that. She can pick up things. Never listen to my friend. In October, my day home, my best friend called me again the Saturday. And me and I did a chat. And the conversation we have about she, I'm afraid that my best friend, I point out the red flag them to me. Me now said them. Me now see the red flag them, but my best friend, I see them. All right. Same time when they talk about her, she call me. I said, watch her, see her call me, huh? My best friend said to me, say, don't answer. I'm going to prove something to you. This is what we are going to do. You're going to talk to her. You're going to tell her some heap of things about your ex-man, like you're your ex-man dead. And you're cheating by your husband. Because I know that girl is not real. It might not reveal itself this year or next year, but it will reveal that girl is not real to you. So, all right. Back to my friend done so that she called back again, my answer. I say, yo, what want? She say, hi, mother. She called my mother. Hi, mother. What? I say, you know, I'm going to cook some soup. She say, yeah? I say, yeah, man, I'm going to cook some soup. My daughter she wants some soup. She'll come over for some soup. She said, oh, yeah, cook tomorrow too? That her son. I said, I have to cook, of course. I have to cook my husband dinner. What is wrong with you, girl? Alien. She said, you know, do nothing else. I say, you know, say, my husband never come home last night. Remember, say, you know, my friend, I set her up and now we are put her on our trap, you know. See, you're going to take them get, you know. I say, you know, say, my husband never come home last night. I'm going to call my ex-man on the Jersey. I'm going to make him sleep on my husband's side of the bed. She said, what you say? I say, my husband never come home last night. And I call my ex-man and him come over and I put him on the bed and make him sleep on the side where my husband sleep. And I start tell her some things. I say, and I have a good night. And I give my wicked back shot. And I get up this morning and make him breakfast. And when he might go away, he left $1,000 with me. And we just have to tell her the things them. We have talked about this from October, you know. Done and gone. A few days ago, I take some time off from work. So she and another lady that work. I split the shift. I mean, right the shift and I split the shift for the shift even. She go behind my back and she talk my boss and tell my boss say she want more hours than where the girl, than where the woman get. The boss call me back and I tell me. I call her and tell her, say, you're too bumbuckler, greedy. And you have to remember where you come from and you have to learn to share. You have to say, you see, in this blood-clad country, caring and sharing. And if we don't look out for one another, we are going to sink. That's all I said to the girl, you know? She asked me up. That's from Tuesday. The Tuesday before Christmas. Notice my husband start move, you know? Fish. Not paying no mind. Not paying no mind. Because I say Christmas are coming on, good as stress them, I will back gift to buy. I'm not paying no mind, because I don't want to say nothing to him and I go rub him the wrong way. I mean, I get like this for me to have my list, my wish list. So, I don't say nothing. Anything I say, I wait till after Christmas. Master, Saturday, I said my husband text me, we need to talk. I said, I don't want to talk. First of all, we have two houses. One at Jersey, one at Yonkers. So I made 50% at Jersey, 50% at Yonkers. Reason for that, we have 3 truck, 1 dumper truck, 1 box truck, and a car hauler. Car hauler are the one where you put the wool carry them and carry them cross state. Right? And we have 4 cars that we do private rental with. Where I live, there's no parking for none of them there in a Yonkers. So everything have to stay over Jersey because the other Jersey big can hold everything. And the contract we have is with New Jersey State. So I have to stay at Jersey because when I forgot work, I reach out work by 4:30 a morning time. So in the 50% of the time at Jersey, 50% of the time at Yonkers. All right. The team texts me and say, we need to talk. That's not there now. They say, but I'll talk to you. I don't want to talk to you. Whatever you need, whatever you want to talk about, send it to the text. Call me pissed off because he vex up with me. I don't know where I go on. He say, no, it can't talk. It can't send that text. We need to talk face to face. So whenever I get into where they, I said, I'm not home. And I don't know when I'm going home. Me and my house now. I feel we're house now. Even though what it is, okay, then I'll go to the house and wait on you. I said, do not go to my place of peace. No, go, sir. I'm going to tell him that no fair. No business with me. I want to tell him that it's not come home. I don't know him listen to me this time and him don't come. Anyway, Sunday, in text again. We have to have this conversation. I said, so text it. He insists on coming to the house to talk. I said, no. He never come. I come back and work Monday, which is yesterday. So the guy worked like a bug and I said, what's so important for him no one text it to me? So that bug me, so I text him and said, this is the 3rd time I'm asking you, what is so important that you don't want to text me? You don't want to text it to me. He said, no, this is not a text conversation or a phone conversation. It's a face-to-face conversation. So I said, okay. When I leave work now, step on the train. I wish part of my work, you can't drive there for pay for parking. So it don't make no sense. I'm going to pay for parking because it's a 12-hour shift. But you want money that's that cost me. I come off of the train. I'm going to take an Uber from the train station to go home. When I'm 5 minutes from the house, I text him and I say, do not come to the house late because I have work in the morning and you know I have to get up early. I put back the phone in my bag. Reaching at the house. Take off my clothes, take off everything because the place cold. Take out my phone and look on it and say, I'm here. I said, here, where? I'm in the apartment. Put on back my phone. Take out I have some curry goat from Christmas. So take it out and I put on some rice turn down the rice. No. Run going to the bathroom, go beard and come out, put on my pajama and come out back. Right time I come up at the rice done, Steve. Share it out, warm up the curry goat, sit down and I eat. I call my son at Jamaica. Because I have a son at Jamaica, you know. I call him every morning and every evening on FaceTime. Then I chat to my son, and I chat and laugh. So till me done eat, get up, go in the bathroom, brush my teeth, come back out, tidy up at the kitchen, go in the room. I say, I text him and I say, shake my head, where you there? Can you look on the time and after 10 going to 11, I want to go to my bed, can I have to get up by 5:30? Him say, okay. So you know, I'm not got my bumble clock bed. You come at 6 and you don't come at 8:30. When the man, the door, the buzzer ring, I know say him, so I just buzz him in, open the lock, and come in and him let in himself in that house. I turn and go in the room, put my phone on the charger and everything. Him go in the bathroom, come out of the bathroom and go back in the kitchen and sit down on the stool. So I'm going to the living room and stand up. He said, come over here, so come sit down, man. I said, no, I don't want to sit down. Talk. He's not a violent person. Let me get that out of the way. Never ever put him on top of me. Never. 9 years me and him there. Married for almost 2. He said to me, say, never give me X a name. He said, who named Peter? I said, that's my ex. Right away, you know, I know that she know. Yeah, because when him said the name, him don't know the name. So I know that she. So that's my ex. While I was living in Jamaica, we were together. He used to come to Jamaica every 2 to 3 months. We were together from 2010 to 2013. And the reason why me and him break up, he buy me a washing machine for my birthday. And in course I go back and tell him, Mama, and I'm start calling my gold digger, but disconnect it, put it in the back of the car, and can't go left for them gate and call him in New Jersey and tell him to don't call back my bumper clad phone. I saw me and him left. Because I don't want your family, I don't want nobody to call me gold digger. Anyway. You ever care no man coming here? I said, what? Are you crazy? You don't care no man come in and come sleep. I said, what? Have you lost your mind? I said, first of all, the only man who come in here is my son-in-law. My daughter husband, like, because my daughter married. And my stepdad. And we don't renovate the apartment. And the man them, when I do the renovation for the apartment, the man don't come in here. Where you come after? I said, you don't care no money? I don't care no money in here. What you talk about? I call my cousin on FaceTime. I said, listen, man, now. I accuse me. Say, I can't man come in here. My cousin start laughing and say, I want to him. What is wrong with him? Him cut off the call and say, she soon call you back. Master, the man press play upon his phone. Everything, book, scripture, verse, action, camera. Everything when we make up with my friend and say, the girl record it and spread it, go give me husband. Just said it, go give me husband Friday. What I said to you? Friday we're going to say, go give me husband, and my husband text me Saturday. What I said to you a while ago? Friday, master. The man, yo. This is another kicker. Me call the blood clot girl and the girl says, not she, is my husband cousin. Said it, come give her. And it's not she. I say, you're too bumbo clot lie because you don't know my husband family. Because my husband family do not come from Queens. In family, them come from the Bronx of Virginia. You don't know nobody for my husband. And the first week of December, you meet my husband girl. So, oh, you know me, my husband cousin. You're too bad. Anyone me say me, I chop up the him. I call her mama. I'm going to tell her mama, I say, you see your daughter? Anyway, me buck your blood clot daughter, me chop out her teeth them. And she can't go back and walk the way. Me girl. But we get mad enough. I take her back my pajama and put her my clothes in her, man. They have a half of my shade in her, brother. I'm going to put it in her backpack, you know. Go out in the living room to put her back my jacket, you know. to go through the door for make my way for blood clot Queens to go a yard. Yeah, when I go to man pick up the bunch of key and gone. So I can't come out of the house because all the place here.
Mm-hmm.
The door I feel lock with the key.
Mm-hmm.
And the main door for come inside of the building is a fob. It's a little black something with green in the middle. If I go through that door there, I can't go back in. So I'm stuck in the blood clot house. I say, I bring the whole bumbo clot night.
Mm-hmm.
I get mad, you know what I do? I call the police. Because I think the police them can't help me to get back the key. Police them come. 4 of them come. We get them ask them what happened. We tell them, give them the statement. Them give one report. One incident report. When them give me the incident report, but then the same way I call me and I share the same agents. I call the agents and girl and me and tell the agents and girl everything. She said, no man, I'm gonna call her. She call her and she said, me not call nobody else. Me not call nobody else. I should tell for me. And I me.
One bag of
We know say she.
Good morning.
Yes, Melly, General, where you going now?
Listen me. I don't want nobody come for me when I talk how me feel. The story there, shaky. A lot of shakiness about the story. But if I see this, makes you talk, but our story is shaky.
Anna, she.
Say something, mix up boss. Let me say something and come down. Thank you for having me. Like for real, she's a big woman, and I won't try to diss her in any way. But if you have a relationship that you want, why would you tell lie on your relationship? You could have said any other little story to find out if the person real, and for you to write down every information about somebody's life or kind of behavior. It's like you were waiting for a time to exhale it out, to put it out. And for real, as a Jamaican to a Jamaican, Miss, I wouldn't want to meet you. Lord God,
Me don't want to meet her
forgive
either.
me. Your behavior sound bad. Let me come
Very
down, sir.
bad.
Thank you.
And the part where she say for her husband that I take out restraining order and blah 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 and all them something that say a liar tell the girl, and then for the fact I understand the girl messed up if I saw the story go and she go to your husband, but say I not true. So why you go take out restraining order by your husband and all that stuff and go back with the drama go tell the girl husband this and the third? Well, no could I try? I mean, I know that it's too much. It not make no sense to me.
Carla, morning.
Good morning, everyone. So it's crazy. So the friend got her to catch the person that she's helping, the girl that she's helping, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it went from her husband finding out, lock her in the house, gone with the key, police involved, she calling the man them where the girl have, and it reached this so. It got me not understand. It's crazy. Cause the friend what she have was say, all right, make we catch her in a prank. The friend, they're not good friend to me because it never did for lead from whatever. She just did for take the bait. Once the girl take the bait and say, okay, if she tell my husband when me say to her, then we are gonna leg off her. We know say she not real. She not one real one. And I had it right there.
Exactly.
All she have to do, I tell her husband, say, all right, babe, me want to know if that girl is genuine towards me. So this a what I want. That's all she have to do.
Exactly, and if you realize say it's not a friend, if you realize that the girl's not a genuine person, that's where her friends say, why you never just avoid the girl and lower her alone? Forgot
Exactly.
that's what I say the story so like a lie and make sure make up thing.
And police get involved. Probably the girl not even.
But what me can't understand is, you go put restraining order upon your husband and you know so the story a lie.
Right.
The part them me still a try wrap my head around. And I go say your husband can't come at the house unless you tell him to come and you tell him not to come and all them something there. Come on now.
Where is she? Make we hear her live and in living color because
About our profile private. Add me and take the profile of a private, my darling. Let me try.
She not gonna come up now, cause she said her people gonna say what she want for years, so she not gonna come up.
Me understand what she had tried to do, me understand what she had tried to do, but at the end of the day, I fear our life. She have to protect our life. Because you let new people in your life, you have to protect your life.
But how the girl, when she said she just meet and get her job, how the girl get her, the husband, fear husband number? Oh.
I think when she start the story, I think she said her friend, some friend interviewed her or something. Jay, morning.
Yeah, morning.
Yeah.
Yes, my boss. What me I say? Cause I'm not too long giant still. Me I wonder if me I miss something because everybody has said them not understand what she has said. But me understand because if she said whatever was exposed to her husband, I don't know the nature of everything. Right? The husband hear that now, it's a cause a big clash. If my husband here say me bring money in the house, lady, me don't know if me go still alive because the two lights are gone them good at him keep on me. So what you expect the man and the woman? A must big brawl that and big thing. She could not even attack. She could all get some lick and she had fling stab. You don't know what going on. That's all in
She
restraining
say
order
her
come
husband
in.
never lick her and her husband never
That's all in
violent.
restraining order come in because some fight go down. You take the man an idiot. Or you for bring money in the man house. The man a lick must throw my girl. That's
But
why the
she
restraining
never
order
talk
come
the
in.
story like no lick show. She said the
Yeah,
way she
because she
talk,
have
the
to
girl
protect.
talk
She
like she a
can't talk
bad girl and she
everything
talk like a
goody.
she control the man. If you listen to the story from the beginning,
Right.
I sound like a she
Oh, that's what
control
I'm
the
saying now.
husband
Because she
and
a
a she
hold
tell him
back.
what to do and when to jump and when not to jump. The way she start the story is like the man take the key and because the man take the key and her job key, the pan it and blah blah blah, which take care of a patient. She whatever she said, the police tell her for call, take out a restraining order and she do all of that over her key.
Hold on, my baby. Me have a question for you. So the part where she clap back on the girl, you get her wrong for that?
Honestly, if the story was true, Mona rang her feet, but because she come out and say and make up, she and her friend make up the story for give the girl through a line
Not
for
a
give
make
her
up nothing,
for see
yeah. She
if
do something and the
she
girl
ever go back to
expose
her
her.
husband. That's what me I saying. It sound like a lie.
Yeah, that part there. Yeah, I agree with you with that. That part there, like she
Miss
do
Green,
something
morning.
and the girl
Hold
expose
on, hold
her.
on, hold
She
on. See, she call me, guys. She not coming here back, so I'm gonna try to get her.
Me know
She
she
not
ain't
come.
coming here box.
No, our profile, I don't know what it is. Yeah, where's the darling? You can't talk now.
Me can't go, me don't know how to take the phone off of private, but if you can put this on speaker, me can explain it more.
Alright, the fan speaker now. Where's the now?
Listen, oh, she get my husband number. Listen, I'm not lying. I swear to God on my 4 children's life. Oh, she get my husband number. We went to an event. Yeah? And when we went to the event, my husband was waiting on me for 4 hours. Not to lie, for 2 hours. Because I have to leave from the Bronx to come to Queens to do my makeup. And he got to the event before me. She was going to come to the event as well, along with my cousins. When we got there, I was calling him, and he never answered. So I take off phone and I say, I'm going to call my husband now and tell him so we reach. That's how she got my husband number. She meet my husband in person the first week of December. The 7th of December, we got our event here, 4 p.m. for an all-black party. That's how she get my husband number. Oh, me have her man number, the taxi man. Remember saying it's my taxi man, so I have the man the number long time. Or me get her husband number. She give me her husband number for call her husband and beg for her when she and the husband are go through them ruckus. The boy when do the cooking is a restaurant in work and number they on the site. That's how we get the husband, the man number. I still get the whole of them number. So what do you mean, girl? What do you mean? You blood clot to me. What do you mean? I'm not telling her. I'm not tell her. I only call the police because my job keyed upon it. And I have to come here to the building. The woman bedbound. She can't get up and open the door and let me in. And the other girl that was here, she left from 8 o'clock because I normally get to work between 8:05 and 8:10. So she leaves 8 o'clock. What I talk say? We have a reason for lie. When it will benefit me? It's 2 places we have. 50% of me, 50% of the next house at Jersey. We have a reason for lie. First of all, it's a conduct. He had his keys and eventually we don't know when I do I lose his keys. There's only one set of keys. In order to get back the fob, he never want to get back the fob because Chuma always down with yard. We always down with yard. We don't rule him, But him don't like argue, and me don't like argue. So when I tell him something I want to see him, him now go come back and know something I go argue. Him never ever, I can send picture, I'm going to skip and send picture and go blood clot them 3 girls up on the phone. And show them my body not have no mark, never in my life.
Hey, MIXUP man, tell the woman send me up on her side now. Or she saying 3 girls. Tell her 2.
This is what she wants to say. The story now makes sense what she has said. So all she beat up her woman and say what she has said, it not add up. Because if the man gone with the key to open the condo door over next house at Jersey where she said, why the backside they call the police for the man? You're too wicked.
Melly, me understand, you know, she left out some parts and it kind of sound confusing. But me picture it in my head.
And that's why she get mad because like she tell her, I'm not busy nobody wants so she can't call me girl, call me whatever.
May I chime in here?
Yeah, go on through, Queen.
Can I chime in?
Yeah, Miss Queen. Come here, Miss Queen.
Sometimes when you're
We're not going to get out of line. We want my best friend. First of all, my best friend don't have my husband's number. She don't have my husband's number. And I've been friends with that girl for years. Anything, if me and I sit down in a golden cross and chat, and that's why I stay.
Number one, if me use my friend phone and call my husband, you know what me do? Delete the number right after me you done make the call out of my friend phone. Me not leave a number in the give no girl forget no chance for contact nobody. And the way how she talk, she sound like she one of them ghetto girl from Jamaica and so now she street smart. So me not buy that number one. So can't continue cussing me don't talk.
We are trying to go in at the event because all I do a call. I slip from the take our phone and take back the number out there now. It's a simple mistake I'm making now. I saw she end up with my husband number now. I remember now, from October, me tell her we give her that story there now. And she sent it to Daffy Trace that she wrecked a long time to have one do something.
My question, sister, if I not true and I add a lie where you say you just true or one story, why go so far by calling the police and why go so far by going why?
But remember she said her job key is on the key fob.
But listen, I'm a stranger, our husband. She could have
but he's not gonna bring it back because he's upset.
Me get the part there, but when me I say the police never need for cab, when me I say if it's every story, you talk Miss Queen.
Yeah, she had to call the police because she said if she leaves the house, she can't come back in.
I can't go back in because
she can't go back in because the man have the key. She can't go cover the key from the man.
No, because she probably was calling him and he wasn't answering the phone because he left angry.
Answer the phone, him not answer. I can't screenshot it and show him. I call him over 50 times. Text him how much text. And him don't respond to me.
So why all right. Before it even reach there, so why you even plan with a friend for you go sell one cook up store when it makes sense?
Because
why you do that?
She was saying if you were listening to the story from
everything. Me listen from the beginning. When me I say as a grown woman, unconscious woman, I fuck her that to do. You should never do that.
Melidan,
the woman not a good friend to you, cut her off and go on about your business. A friend, you're not a big friend, you're not a bye friend. Love the girl and go on about her about your business. Simple. That's what me I say.
Melidan, you know, say if I did me not call him phone, me da call the police too, you know. Because to the information where the man get Melly, I understand about it too, you know. Cause me I tell you, if I did my husband,
that, but she go wrong from day one with her best friend.
No, she wrong, but what she gonna do this or no? She have to just do the best move. She fear right, she call the police, you know. Cause me would call the police, but me not gonna call the police and tell her life on him.
No, MIXUP boss, mute them. I was not fearful. I only call in order. Let me tell you what I think. I think when the police come, then maybe not gonna call him and maybe not gonna carry the key, him out carry back the key them. They didn't do that. They only took a report and write an incident report. That's it.
But the police them not gonna drive him down and get the key from him. They're not gonna do that. If he was there on the spot, then they would have be able to retrieve the key.
Yeah, but she don't know that she was doing the best thing for her.
Me gone.
Maybe she think her husband was gonna. Me don't know where you, lady. Where you think they are gonna happen, lady? When you sell this, me tell you, woman love chatting. Woman more turn for them. Period. Not trust nobody. So when you think was gonna happen when they tell this girl? You think she was gonna sit with the story?
Melly,
she gonna try sabotage you.
She go wrong. She should have never get the girl get the number.
She lose everything. Me still have my husband. I still have everything. So she
you still have.
That's about the girl win. Oh, she win. She don't win.
Me never say she win. Me say what you think was gonna happen when you still have the cook up story there.
Because you're all not listening. She said she wanted to prove that the girl wasn't a genuine person.
And tell her that.
And that
Yes.
means say, Miss
Let
Queen,
her
come
something.
down because you come like you're mad woman.
Me not tell her about the husband part because that kind of tricky and some people record. Cause me have seen
My girl,
record.
I have a sister that died. Listen. And she told me that her husband cheated on her and gave her an STD.
Listen, everyone.
You think I said anything to anyone? I did not.
That's the point where we are trying to make. Listen, that's the point where we are trying. When my friend was trying to prove to me that this girl is not real. She is not real. Me love give people chances. Because all she had told me for months, she not real. She not real. Me I said, no man, give her a chance. But we learn to give people chances.
You know, when I get from the story, this story could have lead to somebody being killed or unalive.
Exactly.
No. All over one makeup situation.
But when Melly, then I'm gonna say, whosoever. I don't know if it's her who said the man lick me. He never lick me.
Yes, so she jumped on my back. I don't know if you said that, you know. Somebody
No,
else said that.
I don't think it was Melidan who said that. But if my memory serves me right, she said, my husband, first of all, let's get it out of the way. He's not a violent person. That's what she said.
Yeah, she said that.
He is not a violent person.
But anyway, listen, what I got from the story is this. If you want to prove that someone is a genuine person and you can take them as a friend, you can set up any kind of obstacle course or a roadblock just to see if they are a genuine and true person. Trust me, I've had it done to me. And I am genuine to the core. You know the amount of stories that people come and tell me. And so even if they're telling lies, I don't know. But you don't go and mouth off your mouth to someone. Matters not the situation. That's how you trust someone's genuinity and their loyalty.
But Miss Queen, and everybody genuine, everybody lying.
And that's what she was trying to prove.
But what I'm saying, but why try to prove somebody loyalty with a big information, even though it's not, it wasn't real. But I'm saying, me know say I'm not true, sister. Me know, but me I say, why can't risk your marriage like that? Because it could have gone worse. It could have gone worse, you know, sister. Because someone ignorant, you know, him could have licked it down in the house, and regardless of how strong you feel like you are, you know, sister. That's all me I try to say.
So that's why nobody ever say liquor either, you know.
You know the sad part about it, what I feel for her is that she have a husband who is ignorant and absorbed everything that girl said to him like sponge after he was with his wife for so many years.
But listen, no.
You can't say that because listen, if I was that husband, that girl would have to come in my house in front of my wife to prove everything of whatever she said.
All right, let's tell her something.
Man, not think the way there.
Everybody thinks the money. I mean, tell if my husband, she married to shop.
Hold on, you see before my husband realized me I get ready to left the house. In call her and say, listen, I'm going to send her Uber for you. She said she not come nowhere, she need to come nowhere, she not care where she do, she not business with a girl. She not business with a girl, she not come nowhere kind of girl. No, I'm not supposed to have foreign a little better than she. That was a remark.
Alright, so here me ask my friend, one more ask you. So your husband confess or she tell him, basically,
when she call, you see when she call him, when she send him the something and call him record her back and me hear everything.
Oh, okay.
That's what we know, sir. She. What I'm trying to say?
So I be a recording.
Yeah, I'm not happy for the phone. When you send me.
Send me now, let me play.
No, I'm not do that.
Mix up, boss, you too.
You want too much now, boss.
No. Stop it, man.
I'm not do that one then. But my habit.
You know why I have it? Between me and
you. No, you know why I have it? No. You know why I have it? You know why I have it? I want to tell you to tell it to me. Because I know so she doesn't tell our man them and our mama stay alive. I said it go give our mama. I said it go give our mama.
Understand our situation. What she do? She plan
everything go give our man them.
She plan a situation and it manifests out how she did expected it. That's how we get from it. But it get a twist.
Listen, I agree with Melidan. You should have never used your husband.
Hold on, darling. Let me get Danet opinion. Danet, your time now. Hold on. Let me hear.
I agree with Melidan. Why use your husband in to try to catch a friend or whatever? Use something different. That
Nobody else to use. Me not nobody else to use. Come
no
on.
man, you could have created another situation.
No, they're saying you
No,
could use another
you could
scenario
use
instead of
another situation.
sacrificing your marriage.
Yeah,
Use another scenario.
that's below the bar. You shouldn't do that. That's really that's down low, really low. Not
Okay,
your husband, not your husband. No.
My question to her is why, since it was
I
just to
accept what
catch.
you said. I accept what you said when you said I shouldn't have used my husband. I should have used somebody else. I accept that.
Okay.
That was I shouldn't do that. I
Yeah,
accept.
so that's below the belt, mate. Come on.
That was a
My
fact.
question,
Well, here one
my
next question.
question to her is, since nothing about it wasn't true, so why should I have a feeling the husband pan it?
Yeah. Yeah, just ask him and say,
I'm a best man. I laugh and I say, Maxie, and I'm a friend. I say, look, we said the girl. Look how me tell us that the girl not real. I see it manifest. I tell us that the girl never real. Me tell us that the girl never real. Long time.
Answer the question. You're not hear the question.
That it was all a prank.
Yes.
And what your husband said?
And that's why when he realized I'm get mad and I change my clothes and put the half of my sheets in my backpack and that time I take up the key and go through the door.
Half of my shit.
Yeah, never half of my sheets. And him see one bite give me 7 years ago. Because I threw him out of the house. He want me to defend myself. Never half of my sheets in my house when he buy me from a Spanish boy from a white plane. Like a Spanish boy, never mind half of my shit in my house, and my mattress and the angle hang out. I can take a picture and time I go home and shit something here. The angle of the machine hang out on the side of the bed, then I keep it pan.
Alright, when you go and send me a picture on the voice note.
No, I'm not the voice note. No, nah, do that. But I have it, come and send it to gear, mama. Right now, she and her mama a rock off. Her mother call me and apologize.
Oh, her mother apologize.
Her mother call me and apologize.
So where is she now as we speak? She's still in America?
Yeah.
Until this day, she still not take responsibility. She denied.
Up to last night, she called the taxi boy, and the taxi boy called me, and I said, yo, it's like she's mad. She said her pressure gone up, and she never expect this. I said, but when she do somebody, she never expect to get her. She never expect.
So what was her motive? Question. What was her motive to take your man?
Mash up the people them and them relationship as a bad mind.
Just bad mind.
Jay, you are absolutely right, Jay. Exactly that's what you wanted to do to this girl.
Hold on, give me a thought there, mix up boss. You know, say these people mix up boss them for cut it out. You see, you post two look a picture, you can't post in peace, kill them dead. You're having a perfect marriage. Marriage, I don't want easy something in a mix up boss.
Thank you. That's why I'm
you have to sit down in that.
Let me tell you something.
And smile when time you want ball. And them see a post two look a picture with a piece of big head man and them a kill you for the man and then can't manage where the man again.
You're right.
A bad mind, the woman that's why she do that. She could have cost the woman life.
I post my husband November. And you know she called me and said, at first I see you post your husband. I said, I don't post my husband because it is not a social media person and I'm not like them something there. Me not post him or go out and take picture and everything else. But for post him, me not post him. One time again, I post him and I put one big heart over his face. My sister and them say, why you keep doing that? I said, because you don't know how people stick. MIXUP boss, me I come from a basement with my husband in night with 4 and hitting them. And that's where I come from. My children partner work, I'm a partner them. 10,000 partner.
All right, can I say something, please?
20,000 partner.
All right, one next lady has said something. Make everybody.
But see, if $1 out of a penny, and that's where I come from.
All right.
When I'm losing work, me do everything. I'm just gonna get back up. I want to tell the thing.
Nobody.
All right.
Yeah, listen where Princess is saying already now. Don't say nothing. Actually, you're not in the box. It's kind of confusing. Let me hear you say.
Good morning. Good morning, all.
Yeah.
All right. Based on what I'm hearing, everyone is saying now the friend that she just met is basically jealous of her. How can a friend that has a husband and probably 10 other men be jealous of her and her one man?
Because she not get nothing from them, lady. She not getting nothing. She not getting nothing. She's supposed to be evicted. If she don't move by the 31st of this month, which is tomorrow, Marshall coming to put out she and our 2 kids them.
All right. All right, lady. All right. All right. All right. All right.
She not get nothing from them.
All right, lady. Okay, calm down. Calm down. You're not war with me. Calm
Princess,
down.
before you say anything, remember, keep in mind, she said that Maxine said that her best friend summed up this girl and said there's something about...
Well, that's where I'm getting to right now. That's where I'm getting to. I sit down and I listen to her. The first thing she said, her friend, her best friend, planned to set up this girl to show that she's not real. And in reality, it's her best friend that is not real. In case you don't get that part.
No.
What is it in reality? Why you
be in denial?
First thing, my best friend don't have my husband number. She doesn't have my husband
our
number.
best friend not real. I think our best friend will look out for her interests. To me.
Our best friend is not looking out for her interests.
Yes,
if
she
you
is.
Listen and pay attention.
Yes, she is.
She's not.
Yes, she is.
Because number one, when she came up with that idea, her best friend would have told her, no, it's not a good idea.
Exactly.
Because once her husband heard it, would ruin her
Whether or
marriage.
not it's a... Hold on a second, people. Whether or not it's a good idea, that's my best friend. So if
But
I
she's
say
the
to her,
problem,
listen,
lady. Believe it
No,
or not, your friend is the problem.
You know, have a brain for think for yourself, then but your best friend a think for you.
Your friend is your
No,
problem.
we both
your
talk
friend
about
is
it
your problem,
together.
whether you want to see it or not.
darling,
Because then you could have put your best friend on the phone and tell her and let she tell your husband what was the plan to begin with to show that
no, she said her best friend does not have her husband's number. You
Well,
are not listening.
lady, I'm listening. Don't tell me I'm not listening. Y'all are not listening. If y'all was listening, y'all would have figured it out. Y'all not listening.
No. Yes,
best
we
friend
figured
is
it
the
out. Her
problem.
best friend is not.
Is the problem.
No.
No, the lady is trying to say that the best friend could have come to her rescue as a evidence to say it was a
Exactly.
prank. That's what she's saying.
She did. Because I called the night when it happened, which was Monday night. I called her. I said, listen, yeah, it happened. And she started laughing. She said, see, the tell you, said that girl never real long time. And
But
she
did you
started-
tell her
she
what
said,
happened
she
with
said.
you and your husband? What did she say then?
Wait, repeat what you said?
When you told her that you and your husband is now having problem to the point that your husband locked you out, what did she say?
Wouldn't be can't tell you, so my husband locked me out now.
Woman, me deaf. You know say woman, your husband lock you out that you have to call
No,
police.
that's
You
not
not
what
listen
she
to
said.
yourself?
She said her husband took the keys and left. She never said the husband locked her out.
Car in, she was locked in.
Oh
not
my
out.
God.
Got a simple mistake. She was locked in, mommy. Continue.
Oh,
not
so the
out.
husband and she have to call police to get out?
Yeah, because the key, all the place set up.
No, she didn't have to call police to get out. She said she called the police thinking the police would get the keys back.
Yeah,
She's
but
still
she
in the
said she cannot
house.
come out without the key. She locked in.
No.
What kind of madness this?
Even for the house key at Jersey, they're on the bunch. I wasn't interested in nothing else. My interest was to get the key to get to work because remember, my patient is bedbound. She can't get up and let me in. And the lady that worked the night shift, she had to leave at 8 because I normally get to work by 5 or 10 minutes after 8.
Support the live goal.
That was my main reason, just to get the key for reach at work.
Lady, at the end of the day, your best friend is the problem, not the new girl you just meet. Your friend jealous of the new girl and jealous of you, and she try to break up both of Uno. But
no, girl.
God, Uno didn't, you know, didn't do bad.
You wrong.
Oh, the best friend. You see the best friend do not much. The only thing she could have tell her says, boy, nobody use your husband. Use another prank.
But the
Me
best
agree
friend
with
caused the
you.
problem to begin with because she could have mind her
Yeah.
business and leave them alone. She jealous of the friendship
When
of the new
Mooney said she
friendship.
should have mind her business, when mother said she the best friend should have make she do something else, but not the husband. That's how
Yeah,
we
but
mean.
would
They're
have
not
not
big
said.
people. No time for nonsense. It's games they're playing for big people. They are big people. What kind of game you have to see?
Mommy,
Y'all don't have discernment? Y'all don't have discernment?
But let me tell you something. At the end of the day, all my friend was trying to do was said to me, this person is not genuine to you. Let me tell you, let me back up.
She couldn't point out ways that she weren't genuine.
You see when she started working here, first of all, she was not getting enough shifts. I I gave her one of my shifts because I normally work Monday to Friday. I gave her Fridays. I said, listen, I understand your situation where you're going to. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to work Monday to Thursday and give you Friday. So you work Friday 24 hours. You do your night shift Saturday, your night shift Sunday, and your night shift Monday. That should be able to help you more.
You
You understand?
You
So
provide
what did she do on the job?
I have nothing to do. Mr. Listen, I want appointment because she keep complaining to me about money. I went to have an appointment and I said, all right, you know me have something for the Tuesday. Work Tuesday for me.
All right. Now calm down. Let me make a point. You said you were helping her, right? You find her, you didn't have a problem with her. You were basically helping her. So where did she went wrong for your best friend to say she's not genuine to you? That's what I want to hear. Where did she went wrong?
I introduced her to my best friend on Instagram.
Yes.
Right? And we were talking because we were playing a game. And we were talking. I don't want to lie. I do not remember what she said. And my friend turned and looked at me. Went to get a drink in her kitchen and she called me. I said, come here, best friend. My girl, and she said, it's like, girl, watch her. Something about her, all right? You hear what she said a while ago? He said, no, you know, I don't listen to attention to the game. And I, in return, turned to my best friend and said, give her a chance. Come on, you know, to learn to judge people like that.
Yes, so you basically had no problem with her. Your friend have a problem with her.
No, because listen, everybody...
The friend, hold on there. 1 minute there. Hold on there. The lady with the story. Hold on, mommy. The lady with the what tell the story. From the girl, a pick at your job and want. You know, she read that. You never see Sarah that she want your work.
But how the girl pick at her job? She said
because
she kept
keep
giving the girl her
problem
hours.
them every minute to the woman. She couldn't find one of the 6 months when she there with to tell the problem. Why every minute she come to the woman with problem and the woman try to sacrifice herself to give her one of her job.
No, but
you should have pick up from that. So
she keep coming to me. I tell her why she keep coming to me with money problem. She saw my account. All she saw in my account.
Mine. See, you never need to do nothing more. That girl.
But why she show people in her account and all these things? It look like this lady brag bad.
But guys, you have to understand that
that's not for share.
Nobody has me account. That's not your business. Only me and my man can see me account.
You have a friend and you must can't. That's a problem. We don't know. Nobody can say nothing to you. Everything you take a show off. Or the woman not show off.
You just meet somebody. Why you want her in your private life like that? Why you think the girl coming to her?
But I brag that. I would call that brag. Our friend, mommy, what friend supposed to be? You must can't tell a friend something.
It's not our friend. It's an associate she just met few months. What the hell? Yeah, don't know friendship from associate who not just meet.
Yeah, but sometimes you have to test
the person can ruin your entire life right now.
People to see if you can take them in your circle.
You're not too friendly, man.
Hold on. Lady, morning. Hold on.
Good morning.
Yeah.
I believe her because I was in a similar situation like that.
Me too.
So I believe her. With my best friend that was living in my house. And she wanted to even sleep in the same bed with my husband.
What?
So I believe her. And how I get her out of my house?
I believe her because I was in the same situation, similar situation.
The problem is them too gullible. And that's the problem. And everybody they meet is their friend. You can't be too friendly.
No, but the
girl
thing is this. Listen, ladies, give me a chance to speak here.
Go ahead.
Every Jamaicans. I hear people all the time say when you come a foreign, stay far away from Jamaicans. You're not supposed to. That's your people. That's who you're supposed to stick with.
Good luck.
So everybody deserves a fair chance. So when you give them a chance and they don't prove themselves to be genuine, that's the time you know they're not supposed to be trusted.
Jamaican people bad man. I want to let them in a circle and them see where you have them grudge and one where you have. Never see them too much.
No one can come at my house, come inside my house, can visit me. They can know nothing about me no more.
Exactly.
Once you're Jamaican, I don't have no close friend because this was a friend from Jamaica. We used to be friend from Jamaica. It's not like I come to America and meet her. And how I could get her off of my back. She even called my husband, telling my husband a lot of stuff.
Nobody.
And I said to my husband, if she tell you that she take a man off of me, then you can talk to me. And I called her back and I said, you know what?
Run, lady, run.
She never have her papers. And I said, I work where I can just walk downstairs and call immigration. And that's how she leave me alone.
Can I say something?
Yes.
It's 391 people on the live. Wanna tap up the screen, man. If I even that, tap free. Too mean.
Tap up the screen, man. Support
Anyway,
the live goal.
go on now.
Leave a member. Thanks, Princess. Yeah.
Let me explain.
Well, I'm here, Shah. Shah, come again.
My account.
Yeah, where's about account? Yeah.
All she's saying on my account, I was transferring money from one account to the other. She came in because it was her shift. She was coming in now to do her shift. My husband called me earlier in the day and said to me, you need to transfer the money to them because we have to make the payment. I didn't remember. He called me back about 5 minutes before she come and said, babe, transfer the money. I'm going to say, oh shit, let me do it right now before I leave. I sit down, I take out my iPad because the account's one up on my iPad and two is on my phone. I take out my phone, open the iPad, open the account on the iPad, open the account on my phone. She come in same time and come in where we all sit. And come and say, what I go on, mother? And look down. I saw she see on the account.
Well, why she call your mother? How old is this girl?
Like 38.
30. And you how much? You're in your 50s?
I'm 52.
Oh, so she look up to you as a mother figure like them, basically.
Yeah, but me I tell him, I threw that taxi boy in it. Because I tell him, I say, yo, me need another big something, you know. If the man they just don't call me and talk me, that talk to him. But me don't want to do that something. Because I tell you, if she see one go back to him and say, yo, if you have so much money she have in her account. I mean, I said something.
Some people stay so if you choose till now, it's like glimpse. Then say, yo, you know much money, boy? Yeah, and be careful of them people. Me not like them something there.
Listen to me. You see, a week time when me get my pay, out of my pay alone, you know, I pay $1,350 for bad guy now. And that's still not rush. Me can pay it and do everything else. I need pay my partner them every week and still do what I need for them, you know. I save $1 out of a penny because I can't save. I know how to shuffle around and shuffle this one, shuffle that one, you know. Remember me telling you, I come from a basement with four of my husband living, you know. And 9 years me and the man there, you know. From a basement, you know. Till we buy the first place, you know. Him losing just as we buy the first place, him losing work. And we have to do everything for the 4 months for me and the 4 people them are in.
So Maxine, I gotta go, but let me ask a question before I go. Are you still together with your husband?
Listen, the restraining order file.
No.
He called me last night. I'ma try and talk to him.
Hold on there, stick up in. Hold on. So,
They're not together.
Hold on, my restraining order there for your husband now?
Yes, because of this guy.
Because
You never dare listen,
Hold
MIXUP.
on, guys. I asked the question. Let me finish. Let me land.
Me say the friend ruin our friendship with she and the other girl and her
Hold on.
relationship.
Oh, guys, give me a chance to ask her. Guys, hello. Give me a chance to ask her the question. She says she's not together with her husband. Can you explain to me why? Because you said that he left, took the keys, and no restraining order. How did that come about? Hold on. That mean your husband believed what the girl had said?
Yep.
No, listen. The first instance why he took the keys because he saw I got upset, I was getting ready, and he saw when I picked up the machete and put it in my backpack. He took up the keys and went through the door because he know if we go through the door, we can't come back in, so he know me now go less. That's the reason. That's the reason.
But it still don't answer my question though.
The question is...
First thing him do, he call my sister them and ask my sister them to talk to me. Because he call my sister them and ask my sister them to talk to me and tell me that I carry it further.
Maxine, you're still not answering my question. How did you... Why? Hold on, Maxine.
What was the question?
The lady man tell the full story.
I asked you if you and your husband is still together. You said no because the restraining order is still in effect. And I'm asking you, how did the restraining order come about?
Let me explain. When I went back to the precinct to get the full report, the police lady said to me, because of what happened, he has never been violent to you, but you don't know what he will do now. I'm giving you my advice.
Yes, true. The American, remember back to my friend, hold on little. You see the American government money? You see, domestic, them take it very serious.
Yeah.
So the police, them we all encourage her and tell her, or caseworker, or somebody would say to her, you need to take out a restraining order because we don't want him to come back. Because remember, the information that he got in could cost her life.
Yeah,
That's how serious America take it. So I believe her with a restraining order.
Tell me that. I got the report from her.
Okay, I have a question.
Well, let you finish talking. Hold on, let you finish explain, and then you can ask a question, please.
I went and I did what I was advised by the officer to do. I saw the judge and I explained to him. He said okay, and he signed it. That's how there's a restraining order in place. I only did it because the police officer, because you don't know what he's gonna do.
Maxine.
In I got back my key. I got back the key. Him go back at the house. Because there's a camera in the house, you know.
No, we get this up.
Even that me I tell to him say. No, that me I tell him, but we sure you say him not think. Because there's a camera in the house. So I tell him say, if you believe this girl, why you not check the camera? Because you have the camera upon your phone. You have the app on your phone to check the camera in the house.
Hold on.
Check the camera in the house. Why you never check the camera?
Maxine.
Why you can't come to me with this foolishness
Maxine,
right now?
not gonna further. So basically now when I understand here, so sitting down. You start this prank and it costs you your marriage, basically then.
Yep.
Well, yeah. Basically, yes.
Okay, that's how we get. And it boil along to this. That's how I listen all along for the conclusion.
But
I've been said that.
But me I tell you, listen. Please. Reason why I call her husband, I said, girl, you're not gonna do this to me and think you're gonna get away with it for sure. No, I did I was proving my friend and I was proving a point. Well, not even me, my husband, my friend did prove a point, which her point was proven. But don't think it's gonna be on the door with your husband, baby. It's not.
All right, I'm gonna go, guys. But here's my take on this. Your husband, not your husband. You
second success on him.
You set up yourself for your own demise, even though hold on, even though that's not what you wanted. However,
correct.
You proved that the person was not genuine. However, again,
correct.
I would say it backfired to the point where your husband is now in restraining order, and you have to make amends if you want your husband back. Because
correct.
Truth be told, you set it up and it really didn't go as you planned it, because right now I think your marriage is in shambles because of what you did. However, you have proven to people and to everyone that the friend who you thought would be a friend was not genuine. And that is that. So you will now have to work on your marriage to get it back together.
Miss Queen, thank you very much for coming from my platform. Big up yourself.
You're welcome, honey.
Love your reasons.
Miss Maxine.
Yeah.
Miss Maxine. I have to say Miss Maxine because we are in the same age group, right? So Miss Maxine, what I understand, this prank, I don't like certain pranks. Certain pranks can cost people life.
It wasn't,
well, guess what? When they say prank, it's not true.
Not really.
So it is not. So it is still considered a prank, and somebody could have lost their life, Miss Maxine. And again, I think you have a pure heart, but I think you share too much. Because even when you're here, wait, Miss Maxine. Why I said you share too much? You understand? You don't know these people. You don't know us either. And at the end of the day, when you come on the first and you were saying you have two houses, one in New Jersey and one, one back in Yonkers or whatever. You were stating about how many vehicle and how many trucks and how
Yeah.
many this. That is uncalled for. Maxine, you cannot give out too much information about your personal life. And for someone, we don't know you, but as far as you come on here and tell me, I am going to say you have money. And then if I am greedy and if I am looking something, I am going to try to friend you. You understand what I'm saying? It will draw the wrong people to you, Miss Maxine. And in order, we are all Jamaican. We are all Jamaicans. We are all we're all Jamaicans, yes, and everybody have the same high. Some people out there are really evilous, and because of what you put out there, people will try to friend you, and they are not real people. So you hear the saying, where your right hand know, your left hand nothing know. And even if you help me, Josephine, don't think that I am your friend. Because you help somebody, you don't have to friend them. You don't have to take them in your space. You feed them and you leave them where they are, Miss Maxine. You understand me? So be careful. Even your friend that you call best friend, you still have to be careful of what you share with people. Because yes, you can say it's your best friend, but even these last days, you have husband analyzing wife and wife analyzing husband, and even children analyzing their parents because of money and greediness. So guess what I am saying? I am not going to say your friend is not your friend, but at the end of the day, be careful, Miss Maxine, be careful. Be careful, like seriously be careful, because to me, you have money. That's what you're saying.
Big up
And
yourself.
we don't
Get,
need, and people
we
don't
just
need to
add
do
on.
that. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
big
you.
up. We just add on some of them.
No,
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. My thing is,
Princess, may I take you
if
down,
it's
little girl?
all a
Thank
lie,
you.
right, mums? When the police tell me if you take out the restraining order, remember, my husband no violate him, never hit me or so before. I wouldn't do it. Maybe the man is upset that you went as far. It's already a lie. And you go as far as also putting out a restraining order on me. And it's all a lie.
Just because a prank.
And it's a lie, and you go ahead and put out a restraining order, PFA, on me. When your job now was to try for convince him and tell him say it's a lie and show him where it's a lie and how the lie come about for make up. That was your job, If you sit him down and say, listen, babe, XYZ, I saw the lie come about because we are trying to prove. Say the girl no real and this and that and that. But by me going ahead now and put out a PFA on him, that is a real active thing. And me I tell a lie. I go feel like a true and him I go feel some type of way.
Excuse me.
A PFA into America, a big thing, and it's on your record. Even if you lift it, because what you could have also done, you could have just go lift it. But me living in a Commonwealth state, you can't really, when it comes to domestic, you can't really lift a PFA. The state automatically pick it up. I don't know in New York. So if we go ahead and put out a restraining order, palm husband over a lie.
Let me get just start. Hold on. Just let me finish. Okay. All right. Let me get Lilith. Lilith.
Yes, good morning.
Yeah, morning. Yeah.
Come on and hearing these things. Sorry about my voice, because I'm not so well.
Yeah.
But sometime,
Hold on. Let me get come on next.
sometime, if the lady that our friend, our best friend, how she knew the other lady to knowing that the lady is not genuine, is that sometimes the spirit connected. They tell us that the person is genuine. And if you see one thing come across, you use the one thing and your instinct teach you what is not the connection between you and a person. You see, when you have a co-worker and she come in or him come in all the while, he want borrow, he always have a problem when it come on to monetary. When they come and see you in a certain comfort zone working, and know that you can afford certain things, them are going to put themselves in a position. Even a man borrow, they want $100 for borrow, they want $200 for borrow. If you are do your business for transact money to your husband, whoever, within your car, going to the bathroom, the one sentence of the best friend make say, she not trust her as a friend. You should have listened to your best friend because maybe she sees something that you didn't see. And at the end of the day, some of us, we not really I go judge people from somebody else's point of view, but sometimes you need to listen to one speech, because the one speech she talk about, maybe I gotta send that speech through she. We tell us that the person is not genuine. Whatever the circumstances is, I think you should come up with a better method for prove she, include your husband, make him know say, we are gonna do so and so. May I prove to you say she's not genuine. Don't leave him out of it, you know, because if you leave him out of it, remember, share your friend. Man, I go believe your friend because your friend.
No,
My
you see,
granny have one word for say you raise black boat to pick out your eye. And all of those things where you do for that girl there, you just set her up for just eat your life. And it is so heart-wrenching to know say restraining order come up to you for your husband and your husband no violent. That shouldn't happen. I'm so sorry to hear that. You are trying your best to help her, but she are try her best to pull you down. She never want, she come in can see you happy and you try to help her. Okay, you have it made. So because you have it made, you go through the pain where she go through too. So because you go through all of those excess, make she come in your life and your husband and your friend to know all these things. She use it as a weapon against you. She never did want to know say you will live a good life and she not live none.
thank you, Lily. Thank you for your 2 cents. I forget it out.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
Only one thing I can say now. One thing my puzzle me in my head.
Sorry, say happen so though.
That's one thing I puzzle me in my head right now. Jeez. You know me there I wonder, I'm gonna ask Maxine. I wonder if this so-called prank with Maxine say something really happened. Maxine, let me ask Maxine. Maxine,
I'm here.
me have to ask her this to your I wonder if this prank where you claim say happen or set up. I wonder if it's something where you do. I wonder if you really go fling it up on the man and give man backers and get $1,000.
No, I did not. No.
You sure?
No, because me and the man. Me and
sounds serious than
I swear to God, listen. I swear to God on my 4 children's life and my 1 granddaughter life, nothing happened.
There's a 2 side to a story still, I know, Maxine. So maybe, just maybe.
This person is saying, what's your name, Angel Sunshine? Why would I want to end my marriage and where I come from? Nothing. I wanted a big idiot clown girl there. I want to know. I don't know what it feel like to live in a basement with 4 people in a 1 room. I want to know. Wants to leave my husband for what? Where struggle where I come from, nothing. Push my only. So after Mr. left him, when we not have nothing, so I know when we can maintain ourselves, but then I'm going to let him. What the heck?
And then it make a comment earlier. Why you go to the extreme if you make you come up with a storyline like that to give to your husband? Where you know, say man take certain things different. When Danet did say there's so many things you could have come up with.
I didn't know she would record. That's the first thing. We never need to share record nothing. We don't have no reason for lie. I don't want to send you the voice.
Send me voice note, no man.
No, I'm not doing it.
Why?
No.
Why?
No, I'm not do that. No.
You know, so if you send a voice note, not 100% of the person would have believe everything we say.
I don't care who want to believe and who don't want to believe. I know. No, I'm not do that.
If he's something in a voice note, we don't want to hear no man say.
Not the voice note. Not in there. Just when me say and when she tell my husband. Not nice.
Send me it and me filter voice and make it sound like one.
Nope. Not doing it. Nope.
Okay.
Nope. Our husband have it. That's why she don't problem not talk about her blood pressure go up. Her husband have it. The 3 man and the 3 other man have it. Why do you think she have to work along?
Can I say something? Good morning. Can I say something?
I was gonna get. Look at something. 15.
Hello, sweetie. Can I say something?
Yeah, go on.
Yes, good morning to everyone. I've come on late, but I kind of understand. I read the text them. Look here. Yes, when you have a good husband, I am with my husband 35 years since we married. The 19th of January coming will be not 35, 37 years. And we have the anniversary last year. Listen to me. Let me tell you something. You have some friend who are jealous over you secretly. Jealous of your marriage. If your husband do something, your man do something for them man now do. Them now make you know so them jealous because you drop them. Look here, lady, you say you have a good relationship, no walk near no prank. No walk near a prank is a gateway to hell. Don't walk near no prank. I could never do that to my husband. There's no turning back for him. I gone in, I tell you that, and a prank. So you see,
Woman, I know how she make the police them persuade her to take out restraining order against it. When
listen to me. Me know say it's a prank. No police can make me get no restraining order for my husband. Because me know me are the victim. Okay, me
because as she saying now, she said the husband take up the keys them because of how she did a react.
Listen what I am saying, sweetheart. Listen what I am saying. I tell you, 37 years now since we married. You have to understand relationship and you have to understand friend. You have to know when to talk, you have to know when not to talk. So my time silent gain wisdom. And everything you talk, me love, because you have other spirit out there we go with it and cause harm up. That's what happened to she, you know. You see some friend just coming because you can't help them. But they're not really a friend. Some of them associate. You have to very, very be careful. You guard your relationship. Guard your relationship. You and your husband coming from far, no prank shouldn't involve in your thing. Because look what the devil want to capture you for the new year. Look here, baby girl, go down for your knee and talk to God. God can fix it. He can fix it. I can tell you, I'm an experienced woman of 6 sons. My last son is 31. Listen to me, he can fix it. And never you keep too much female friends. I don't let no woman come in my yard when my husband is here. If you look at my text, what I write, no woman, no girl can come in my bedroom. And when they hear, they hear. My secret, no one can know it. My account, I don't make my husband look in my account. Hello, if you mean I need me help him. I mean, I done the money, I forget, but me not. So my time you have to keep secret, man. Keep secret. And some of them friends here, because you may have this and you may have that, they hook on you like bees. Just for draw the honey, the sweet. But them not really mean you no good, baby girl. I mean, I pray for you. They're going to pray for you. They're going to pray for you. Because how you talk, you have a good relationship, but the devil mash it up. But it's not all that lost.
All right.
Okay? Have a wonderful day.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah, Maxine,
Thank
you
you,
want
Jay. Yeah, I'm here. That's what I said. Thank you. I said, thank you, Jay.
Papa Ray.
Welcome, my dog.
Yeah,
Papa Ray.
Yeah, man. Woman enough to do better than that. I can't ramp with no good man. No ramp with good man. The man them, especially when the man knows say him nah do nothing wrong.
I'm if I got
chip something in him, man. You know, can't do that.
Yes.
And you have to know the friend them. You can't make everybody. You have to be very secretive when you come to the relationship, you know, man.
I want to shake your hand, my brother.
No, I'm to no man. Me have my woman. No man can't come at my yard, you know.
No woman no come at me.
No, she never come out. She's never been
me not keep certain things you have to keep a secret because if you want to run a prank, you want to run a prank with your man. So they come to your husband. Don't do that. Don't run them things there because certain things you chip a man head quick and fast in a second. Yes. You might think say not gonna do nothing to him. And in a no seconds that chip him like, I wish you just said to me.
My husband
you can't do that, man. Now for love on yourself and love on the man and just be friend with your man and deal with your thing, Belgium. Don't fuck up your thing if you look a prank. Them thing that even my woman can run. Me and I run them joke with my wife. And my wife can't run them joke there with me. Because me not depend on prank thing there. A serious thing this is the man.
I'm not going to sit here as a hypocrite and use the word prank. I'm not talking from Maxine. I'm going to use the word alleged prank. Until Maxine send me the voice note that me convinced.
You know what for fix your relationship, you know. And you shouldn't make no police tell if you put a restraining order.
You know that me I say?
You need to go to your man and say, yo, make we have a serious relationship and fix your thing. I love you fix back your thing.
I love she fix it.
Yeah, man. Fix back your thing with the husband as the best way you can. But don't make no police, don't make nobody tell you put restraining order. When they do that, you even trigger you make him even worse. Because when you put restraining order upon him, he's going to look upon you like say, yo, this thing real.
Yeah.
So unreal. That's why I say alleged prank. Don't forget
Yeah.
Judith.
First thing,
Judith, morning.
the
Hold on,
first
Maxine.
thing
That's not
is,
Maxine. Can we hear most of your story? Don't forget Judith. Judith, morning.
Princess, I your mama lie and get you.
Nobody
Take
with
me
that,
down.
man. I trouble people if they comment. Know that now?
Now because she say lie, her mama lie and get
That's
her.
my 2 cents. Now go back in
Yeah,
the
all right. No
comment.
problem. Big up your friend.
Yeah, man,
Take
respect.
me down. Take me down. Take me down. Take down
First, I'm gonna
J-Wo.
go take it off his name.
All right, we'll take it down. All right,
Take
go on
down
now,
J-Wo,
Judith.
man. Yeah.
Yeah. Judith.
Yes, hi. May I have one question and then I jump. Sorry. I typed it in the comment. Why didn't she use her best friend, the best friend that told her to make that prank? Why didn't you use your best friend as the bait instead of running that serious thing with your husband? Why didn't you say, okay, let me tell you something about my best friend, and then see if that girl would take back the news to your best friend instead of bringing that serious allegation against your own self? That's not. It's totally does not make any sense.
She don't have any contact with my best friend. She don't. My
Because
best
I
friend
thought,
and I, and she's not friends. So she wouldn't have no form of contact because my best friend tell me to listen. We don't want her back around me. Okay, we were going away on a girls trip, and because of she, my best friend said she's not coming.
and just that the joke the way you run with your husband, honey, that's way too serious. You talk about position and all of that something. They may listen to it and may say, no, so you shouldn't even come up with something lighter. So even if you went reach back at your husband, he wouldn't be so come listen to me. Me know you feel away, but listen to me. Put the shoes on the other foot. Your husband must feel away to you. You can imagine you as a man or you as a woman get somebody call you and you hear your own husband voice. Put the shoes on the other foot. Your husband voice to tell somebody, oh, your position you and they sleep and you're inside that bed. Or you wouldn't feel like then dash dirty water, cold water upon you. Come on, man.
I would have believe as a man.
In a real life, I feel know what we they do. Cock mouth kill cock.
I would have believe.
You can't do that to yourself, girl. You set up your own self. You can't blame nobody. I don't blame your friend. I blame you. I blame you. You're not baby, you're not 16-year-old. I blame you. And you have to fix it. I'm not going to take time and tell you as a sister to a sister girl. You have to fix that girl. Me blame you. You messed up. You prank your own self. You did not prank that girl or did not prank your husband. You pranked yourself.
It was not a prank. Why you all saying it's a prank? It's not a prank.
Well, sorry. If my apology. I apologize. If I said it's not a prank. Sorry. It's sorry.
Sorry. Prove a point that she was not real. It's not a prank.
It was a test.
Then use something else and prove it's such a real baby girl. I'm sorry if you use the word prank, but saying prank that would be totally not nothing to do with the matter.
The only one Judith is saying it's a prank. It wasn't a prank. We were proving a point.
That
is not real.
I'm sorry. I apologize for that word. But what I'm trying to say is that you should have tried and prove her some other way. Because that was a serious one, very, very, very serious thing you tell her. Okay, Mark, you do it with the intention, whatever you told her.
What denial am I in?
Whatever you told her with the intention. Say, well, I remember if my husband they go here. But you don't want your husband to hear that. So you shouldn't go so hard. You went hard. Bear in mind, because that's the only way you're going to know if she is real, because you're planning for her to tell your husband. So come with something softer.
Green Tracer, yes, something was proven because now she is in a mess.
But you're in a mess too. Right, too wrong no make a right. You have to fix fear before you destroy fear.
She expected that she was gonna go smooth, nothing was gonna happen. But she didn't.
So you were expecting when they go for you? Answer me. You were expecting when they go for you? You think say your husband when just hear that and react? You're lucky say man ain't call lick off your face. That's why America you're there.
She was thinking that I was not going to do her anything.
Baby, you think you couldn't run the joke there with so serious Jamaican man talk truth? You think you couldn't run if your man when the little soft as you couldn't run the joke there with them? I wouldn't even think of doing that. For the respect of me of my husband, I couldn't even want respect.
Who you talk to?
Somebody a comment about Maxine done.
No, but you can't watch comment.
Watch comment, man. You're there to fix the problem, girl. People are gonna talk anything and people are gonna say they have the right to say anything. But what I'm saying that for you to fix back your thing,
You can't watch a comment. You have to figure out where how to fix your thing because you messed up. You messed up big time. You should have found something else to tell him unless something really goes off it through. And you confide in her.
I haven't spoken to that man in years.
What man? Your husband?
No, not my husband.
Oh.
Not my husband.
Yeah, so why did you do that? I bet you will say something different and that me they try to say. You should have said something. Oh God, man.
I accept that part. Of course I'm gonna accept
Maxine,
that part. Which you are right.
Maxine, did end up getting a Christmas present from him husband or after Christmas he happened or before the whole incident?
Yeah, I get my jacket, I get my kid jacket. That's what I wanted, my kid jacket. I got my jacket.
Oh, so after Christmas, this is something we developed recently, like.
Friday gone, she tell about Friday gone.
Oh, Friday. Oh, this just happened. Oh,
Friday.
I know you're in a bagger because I know you.
Okay.
Yeah, the girl, you have to call your husband and you're going to apologize to him and you're going to make your friend know it. You're going to talk to him because you see what? Sometimes might not be it right. You see me? And right now you're the on defensive side. Like say, even though you messed up, you're there try to be defensive. And that's where the police and all of that comes in. You understand? So when everything cool down, it's hard, you know, and so you have to talk to your husband. If you know say one relationship where you have, because as far as we see you have also Yonkers, you have your also a Jersey. That means you know in a one full-blown relationship. I know they go on with yourself and go on good.
We do.
That's what I'm saying. I'm not disputing that. What I'm saying is that you have that going for you. Don't make because I saw Lily careless start because then they act so Lily careless sitting. Put a rip between you and your relationship, girl. So fix your relationship. Listen to me, man. Listen to what me they tell us, man. You're going to invite your husband and you're not going to invite him in your house. You're going to invite your husband out. In a neutral place where you can go and go have a drink or have dinner. Where you go talk to him. And you're not go home. You go have to argue. You go out. Take him out on a date and you go talk to him. And you go apologize to because you messed up. You need to apologize to that man. If you want your relationship, if you do not want your relationship, well, leave it alone. But if you do want it, you're going to call your husband and you're going to apologize to him and explain the situation.
And take the restraining order.
Okay? And yes, you got that.
That I'm definitely going to do.
Yes, you need to do the right, fix it. I'm not coming up here to bash you. Because sometimes...
No, I'll definitely do that.
Yes. You understand? Call your husband. Wait until everything is cool because right now everybody in a hot temper and feel some type of way. And you're going to call him and you're going to be the bigger person. You're going to apologize to him. And you're going to tell him, say, you messed up and that was what, you don't know what you were thinking. Tell him that when your friend said it to you, it sounded like a one good idea at the time. And then you get the opportunity was to see if, all right, you're going to plant a seed on the girl. You understand? You shouldn't have gone so hard, yes, and that's done. I mean, I'm going to beat up on that because what is done is done. But you're going to fix it, and you need to fix it. Nobody can fix it for you.
And Judith, you know, when I get from Maxine's story there, analyze it back. You see through the girl record. Maxine, the girl record, yes, right?
Right.
That's the question.
Yeah.
All right, don't say nothing more. Don't say nothing more. You see, she record her. Based on how Maxine describe the moment.
That's a cheese.
Describe it in our way when the man here, he said, boom, buckler, G.
The man feel like a dog shit. He feel like a water dash pan him.
He would big in this, he give me $1,000 and I put my bed. Money, where bed name when I'm married? I forgot what word I'm use.
Matrimonial
bed, yeah. And then something the same man could answer, how this? I feel weird.
And then now, Maxine, remember he was calling you and texting you, telling you that he's coming over and you keep putting him off and like, you know, whatever. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. I'm listening.
We have a camera in the house. Yeah?
It's
not for say, oh, we don't trust each other. We'll put the camera in there because...
Yeah. Security reason. Put it that way.
Because of my son.
Security reason.
No. My son used to be an alcoholic and we have a lot of alcohol in the house.
Yes.
That's the reason why we are talking. I'm never going to take it out after my son gone back to his wife and everything. And he stay there. So he can't, and him have the app. The app that's on his phone and my phone.
But
so go look.
But he can't know the date. He's not going to know the date, Maxine.
Maxine, can I say something to you?
It's a ring camera. And you have recording up to a year.
No, but
Since
all the
I
man
easy
for sit
remember-
down and go through every friggin' day. You
No,
don't know
but you
when.
want to prove a point. And I eat me
No,
out. Me
sir.
out that one we can send go game.
Maxine.
Max. Recording when me and my best friend attack on the camera to it. I'm going to time last night and go through
All right, so Maxine, here we have to find that recording and save it and give me. Problem solved.
Maxine, remember though, the man is in a peak of feeling how him feeling. You know, go think about no blasted camera right now this
Last
time.
week Friday this happened. Me think so about weeks or months ago. Last week Friday, that's
yeah,
fresh.
inside camera too.
Maxine, it can fix it, no, but you have to fix it. Maxine, it can fix, and it's you, and you're gonna fix it. You hear me? I tell you, baby.
I will, sweetheart. I will.
Fix it.
I will. And
It can fix. Yeah, it can fix.
That out of anger. Not guess. I did that out of anger. Thinking about it now, here other person's.
Yeah, me now go bash you because the situation already gone. But you're going to pull up your big girl panty, you know. You understand me? Pull up your big girl brief and go and fix your life. The restraining order, because everything what is being done, it is you who is been doing it. Mark you. Everything that is being done, the man have a right to come over and retaliate. He don't want to lick you or he not lick you. That is beyond the point. You understand?
Never been abusive.
Right. That's what I'm saying. So it's beyond the point. But what I am, and I'm not, so you have to fix it, baby. You want your husband? Let me ask you a question. You want a relationship?
Of course I do. This is somebody that I love dearly.
I should build
So
with.
guess what? Go fight for your relationship. That's all I can tell you. Go and go fight for your husband. And then I'm going to take overnight for fix. Because then you've already break down the trust in him. You break down the trust when he have for you. By just because of your advice. So if him, the man the way hear the girl call and tell him that out of him advice, for your advice, he would have bad enough. But he have you. Your advice to tell the girl that. You think me and say so you hurt him more.
Alright, mix up boss. But then I talk to you now and he might call me.
Answer him.
Answer him.
And invite him out.
Let's talk to him on now and see that beat me if I call.
Answer your husband and invite your husband out and take him out. You do the spending.
I call him. I'm text him and tell him I'll call him in a minute.
No, no. Come off and go on.
Off the phone and you can come back here so when you're done.
Yeah.
Go and go fix your life.
I'll call you back.
Yeah. All right. The phone dropped to rotted. I've never seen something like this. The phone get a rotted drop a while ago.
Judge God.
The phone get all this something that, let me show you now. Me say the phone get, me say somebody put up lie. When you love it, me say everything drop a while ago. Well guys, play stupid game, you win stupid prize. Sorry about the explicit if you hear a couple. I could have cut out it. It was a heated panel and the ladies then come out strong. For somebody are coming in the box. You know, I mean, you can't run certain joke or prank, but come on, I would run that with my woman. Plus, no sir. Anyway, tell me what you think. If you reach this far, happy new year. Sooner or later, I'm out.